I wanted to create this quick video to show how you can create a agent in Microsoft 365 Copilot that will assess a document based on a predefined set of criteria and give you feedback on this document. This use case is useful for managers and anyone reviewing documents, whether it be contracts or sales documents. You can create a customized agent that you can upload the file to, and it will give you the immediate feedback. This agent can then be extended to have an area in SharePoint where your users or your team or your customers upload a file to, the agent listens in that area and then automatically emails you the feedback. That automation is outside the scope of what I'm going to show you today, but I just wanted to show you quickly how you can create this agent in Copilot. So we're going to go into Microsoft 365 Copilot. You can get to it via the web interface or via Teams. And we're just going to go to create an agent on the right there. And you have the option here to describe the agent and it will build it out for you. But we're actually just going to skip straight to configure because I want to make this a quite direct video to show you the use case and show you how easy it is to set these things up. So I've already created my description. So in my use case, I want this agent to review digital transformation documents for a specific set of criteria. And in my use case, these are documents that are going to be going out to my customers. We're going to give it a name. So we're just going to call it Digital Reviewer or something like that. We could also change its icon if we wanted to. The description is quite important because it tells the agent about its own context. The instructions are also very, very important because that gives it the steps that it needs to take each time it's initiated. So for description, I've put an agent for reviewing digital transformation documents, ensuring specific elements are included and providing summaries for each. The instructions that I've given it are: review digital transformation documents created for customers. Confirm if the following items are included. 1. Security improvements recommended. 2. Visual roadmap included. 3. Plan to migrate from on-premise equipment. And 4. AI recommendations made. I've then said do not comment on anything else except to confirm if the items are included. State yes or no for each item. The reason that I put this is when I didn't include it and I uploaded a document, it would give a lot of additional information that I really didn't want. So this line here prevented it doing that. And then I've also put include a short one sentence evidencing why you have said yes for each item. If we scroll down, we can give this agent knowledge. We don't want to do that. It's just going to use its own built-in language model to assess the document that I provide. I've turned off web search. I do not want this agent going out onto the internet. And we're going to leave all of this other bits and pieces down here for now. So that's all done. We're going to click create. And it's now going to create the agent. So we're just going to give that a moment to do its thing. Okay, so that's now created my agent. And here we see it on the left. So if you're, on the right. So if you're in Copilot, you can see that there. It's called Digital Review. We're simply going to upload a document to this. I'm going to upload a digital transformation document that I created. And we're going to just send that across to the agent. It's having a little look through that document now. And here we go. It said, I have reviewed the digital transformation summary and roadmap document. Here are the confirmations for the requested items. So security improvements recommended, yes. And it gives a reason why it's stated yes there. And that's because the document includes recommendations for security fortification using zero trust in depth, phishing resistant MFA and identity protection. Is a visual roadmap included? No, the document does not contain a visual roadmap. Plan to migrate from on-premise equipment? Yes. AI recommendations made? Yes. So that has assessed that document based on a predefined set of criteria. what we can now do is we could build automations into this agent, as I mentioned at the beginning of the video. We can also refine and expand upon the things it's looking for. We could also ask it to give us other information. So this agent could be published to your internal team. And so rather than them emailing you documents, you manually reviewing them and sending them back, they can just upload to this agent and it will review them for them. And once they've got all yeses, they can send the document across to you, for example. So there's many, many different ways that this could be used. But I wanted to create this brief video today to show you one of the ways in which Microsoft 365 Copilot can easily be used.